In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney in Discord to make amazing AI art. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank browser to your first stunning AI image inside Discord, using a clear prompt and a simple workflow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is just a quick way to get where we need to go. In the search bar, type the word Discord so we can reach the official Discord site. When the results load, look for the result that points to discord.com. That's the official website. Go ahead and click it. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. That's normal. You can use either the browser or the desktop app. Both work for what we're about to do. Once you're inside Discord, look to the left sidebar where all your servers appear. Find the Midjourney server and click it to enter. This is where the Midjourney bot lives and where you'll send prompts to generate images. If you're new to the server, don't worry. There are dedicated rooms for beginners that make it easy to start. Inside the Midjourney server, locate a channel labeled Newbies 5. Click it. Newbie channels are intentionally busy, but they're set up so you can see lots of examples from other people while you practice your own prompts. Your messages will still be processed even if the feed is moving fast. At the bottom of the channel, click the message box and type the command /imagine. This command tells the bot you're about to give it a prompt. After typing /imagine, you'll see a prompt field. Paste this exact prompt to follow along. A majestic peacock goddess seated upon a throne of gold and gemstones, feathers transforming into intricate mandalas, radiant jewel tones, divine feminine energy, ornate Indian miniature art style, shimmering details, symmetrical balance. V7. 4.5. The description sets the subject, style, and mood, while the flags at the end fine-tune how the image is generated. The tag, V7, selects a specific model version, and R45 sets a portrait-like aspect ratio. Now press Enter to send your prompt. The Midjourney bot will begin processing, and within a short time, you'll see a grid of 4 images appear. If the channel looks busy, keep an eye out for the result tied to your message. It will show up right below your prompt. That's it. You've just created AI art with Midjourney inside Discord. From here, explore more prompts and refine your language. Clear subjects, distinctive styles, and helpful flags like aspect ratio can make a big difference. Enjoy creating and keep practicing to discover the art styles you love.